Okay, it's a nice pretty day in Daytona Beach. Let's demonstrate how spoiled the seagulls are here. I know they're circling for a reason, and they see anything white in a tourist or a local's hand, they're going to go for it. So let's see, there's just one little wrap, and then there's another little wrap, and then here they come. Here they come. Okay, come on, guys. Yep, I know. Here you go. Here you go. Yep, there you go. Alright, see, it doesn't take long. These are what's known as Obama voters. Okay? Just circling for a handout. Here we go. Yep, here we go. This is, par for the course here in Daytona. I like the pigeons because, they're just not as aggressive. Oh, shut up. Alright, here we go. Now, for a big handout. Yay. Okay, that's all I got. Usually when I come up and climb up on me. Alright, pidgeys, come on. Alright, that's a little demonstration about how things are here in Daytona. Have a good day.